To keep up with the latest content I release, please make sure you're following my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all using the same name, iAmHaks. Enjoy the video.
Wow, that's so high.
Hi, can you sing a Kurdish song?
Probably not.
How about I teach you one?
Sure.
Her biji
Harbishi,
Kurdistan.
Kurdistan.
And now make a song with this.
Harbishi, Kurdistan. Harbishi, Kurdistan. Harbishi, Kurdistan.
I love it.
Harbishi, Kurdistan.
I will tell you a country,
Okay.
Yes.
and you do this or this.
Okay.
Okay, Italia.
Is this?
Needs.
No, this. Oğlum güzel lan.
Okay.
He doesn't like Italy.
No, he like it.
Okay, but the rule...
He doesn't understand. No problem.
I understand now.
Okay, but the rule is, if you do this, you have to say why, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. America. Okay. Canada.
Okay.
No.
Why?
Why?
Why?
Because I don't like snow.
Okay, you don't like
That's
snow.
no reason.
That's a good reason. Okay. France.
France.
Oh, why?
They are too racist.
They are too racist. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Saudi.
Saudi. Where is Saudi?
Saudi Arabia.
Arabia.
Arabia.
Ah. Why?
I am not racist, but they are too bad.
Yeah.
They are too
Those are
bad.
people.
Okay. Egypt.
Egypt. They are good. Their history is good.
Yeah.
History
Okay.
is
It's
good.
okay.
What about Kurdistan?
Kurdistan. They are not Kurdistan.
Kurdistan
Bak,
diye
Kürt-
veriyor ki.
salak herif.
Why not?
Yok ki.
Why not?
Why you don't like it, bro?
Bro,
Why? Yeah. Why?
I don't know. It's just bad.
Hey, but you have to say why. All of the others, you have a reason. You have to have a reason why.
Why?
I don't know where is Kurdistan.
He knows. You know.
Salak
Actually, I
nerede?
don't know too. Where is it?
But he said yeah. He said good.
He's idiot. He's idiot.
But why don't you like it?
Bro, I don't know where is Kurdistan.
I don't know. Maybe you should Google it. It will show you.
I don't know. Pass it.
Pass it, yeah.
So nothing for Kurdistan. No up, no
Yeah,
down.
nothing. Yeah.
Okay.
Or no.
Really? You are Syrian from Damascus.
No, Aleppo.
Aleppo. Okay, nice. I'm from Kurdistan, Rojava.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Afrin.
Habibi.
Habibi. So it's okay. Afrin is Kurdistan. No problem.
Yes.
على راسي حبيبي.
يسلم راسك روحي.
Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
how are you? Fine, thanks, and you?
I'm good, thanks. Where are you from?
I'm from Turkey.
Ah, okay. I'm Kurdish.
Kurdish. America.
No, Kurdish.
Kurdistan.
Okay, yeah, Kurdistan.
You are from... Yani, you are living in Kurdistan mı?
Yes.
Okay.
It's good?
Good.
Thank you.
No, good.
Why?
Bitti İngilizce.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine. Where are you from?
Kurdistan. Where are you from?
I'm from Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
Yeah,
What do you think of Kurdistan?
it's my heart.
Yeah?
Of course.
Hi, Twitch streamer.
Twitch streamer, yes.
Really?
Yes.
What is your name on
Cook-
Twitch?
No, I write it for you. I write for you.
Orospu çocuğu Kürdistan yazdın. Ananı sikerim senin.
That's my name on Twitch.
Kürdistan büyücü mü? Senin ananı sikeyim o zaman.
That's my Twitch name.
Orospu çocuğu. Diyorum ki no Kurdistan. Kurdistan
We're talking about Twitch.
why your name is Kurdistan Beji?
Oh, because I am from Kurdistan.
Kürdistan diye bir yer yok. No Kurdistan. Yani
Look. Look. Kurdum. Look. Look. Kurdum.
I'm not love Kurdistan. I hate Kurdistan.
Why?
Because,
Why do you hate Kurdistan?
I don't know what to say.
Kurdistan is no problem.
Nasıl problem yok amına koyayım? Yani
No problem.
problem
Me Kurdistan, you Turkey. What's problem? Tell me something about Kurdistan.
Good music.
You know Kurdish music?
I think Sugetir is Kurdish.
Kırkırmancı ave bina Allah يخلي أبن بنا تو تو تو تو تو تو تو الله يخلي أبن بنا ورا How do you know that?
I don't know. Just I used to hang out with Kurdish people.
I actually saw that song blew up in like Norway and Sweden. Like they were playing it in clubs and stuff like that.
Yeah, it's a good song. I like it.
I like that you know that. That's pretty cool. Italian. Italia. Now England, but I'm from Italia. It's good.
I am Turkish.
Okay.
I'm Turkish soldier.
You are in Italia. We love the. You are Tessaka.
Yeah.
You are Tessaka. In Italia, you know how you say Tessaka in Italian language? Italia. Terraka. Tessaka, terraka. That's what we call terraka. Yeah. So you are terraka.
Understand.
So you are terraka? Yes, really? You are terraka? No, I don't believe.
Where are you from?
Kurdistan.
Welcome.
You
My
are
brothers
welcome. Are you?
in Kurdistan. I'm from Palestine. Yeah, the police here and the kill, you know.
Yeah, of course. I'm Kurdish. We are the
Yes.
same. We are the same. Turkish people.
Yeah, the police here where I live, it's Israel, but I'm Palestine and this Palestine.
Yeah, I
this
know.
The police.
And the same for me. I am Kurdish, but Turkey. They say no. This is Turkey. I say no. This is Kurdistan. This is Kurdistan.
Yeah.
Same thing. Yeah. Okay.
brother.
I hope for peace, bro. Eid Mubarak.
Habibi, Eid Mubarak.
Oğlum Kürdistan'e.
Kurdistan mı?
Abi.
Yok Kurdistan, no Kurdistan.
Gerilla orospu çocuğu.
No,
Lan bu piç.
no.
Gerilla. Ananı sikeyim seni. Ananın amına.
Her biji Kurdu, her biji Kurdistan. Ne mutlu Kurdum diyene. Ne mutlu Kurdum diyene.
Ne mutlu Türk'üm dile.
Ne mutlu Kurdum diyene.
Shalom goy.
Wow.
Nice to meet you, sir.
You are like the Israeli version of me.
What are you?
I'm Kurdish.
Ooh, Kurdistan. Nice, my friend.
You know Kurdistan.
Yeah, of course.
Do you like it?
Of course, bro. Kurdistan and Israel are best friends together. And now you live in the UK?
Yeah, I live in the UK.
And how long have you lived there for?
I was born here, 31 years.
Oh, really?
But
But
I'm a Kurdish patriot.
Me
Yeah,
too.
I have to
I
stand
will
up.
be a patriot for you too, guys.
Thank you, man. We need it. We need more support. كرمانجي ثانية.
Kurmancı.
تخلقي كدري.
Diyarbakır.
Diyarbakır. Ahmedi Serhildana.
Le Ahmedi. Abi तुम अभी करते नहीं काफक है abi bس
Her biji Kurdistan.
قربان चाबी तान तुम अभी करते नहीं हुआ
قربانة تابع. تسكا.
अरे वाले
شما.
एक आप हम चौक मजबूरी तेने
مجبوري.
يا زايد ما رياضتنا قرتني يعني حاطط عسكرينا كي جي خلصنا بها
راستا چند سال؟
شش ما هذا
ششمه ايه
هربجي كردستان
هربجي كردستان.
Is your church says Kurdim or what is it?
Kurdim, yeah.
You are Kurd.
Yes.
Well, how did you go to London?
I was born here.
You were.
Yeah, I was born here. But my parents, they are from Kurdistan.
Yeah. There's no place.
What?
There is no place like for Kurdistan.
Yes, there is. I'm from there.
No, there. Then show me the place.
Okay?
That's like that.
What do you mean that's what you thought? It's right there.
Yeah. It is unofficial, you know it.
Why does it have to be official for me to know where I'm from? So I need this politics, this president of America or some president from a different country to say, yes, it's your country now, you are from Kurdistan. I need this to tell me where I'm from, or I will look at my history, and I know my history. I hope you're enjoying the video. I wanted to quickly announce to those who don't know that my new clothing brand, Kurdim Clothing, is out now. And it's where you can buy Kurdish inspired designs like this. The Kurdim Essential t-shirt, the Kurdish sun cap, the Kurdim logo cap, the Jinjan Azadi t-shirt, and a selection of hoodies, phone cases, stickers, and there's a Kurdim Icons Season 1, including Kurdish icons and legends like Qazi Muhammad, Zara Muhammadi, Yilmaz Gunay, Hassan Zirak, Layla Zana, and many more. You can purchase these products now at www.kurdim.shop. And for everyone watching this video, you can get 10% off using promo code Kurd Talks. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Your hat is your hat is Kurdish.
You know it?
Yes.
How do you know?
I know Kurdistan flag. Yes.
How do you know the Kurdistan flag?
Because here in Greece we hate Turkey and also Kurdistan hate Turkey. So Kurdistan and Greece is couple.
Kurdistan. Kurdistan.
Ne Kürdistan amına koyayım? Hangi
Kurdistan.
Kürdistan? Ha? Kürdistan.
Kurdistan.
Okay. Son of the beach.
Kurdistan.
Amına kodumun çocuğu. Senin yollarını sikeyim.
Kurdistan.
Welcome to Türkiye.
Kurdistan.
Ananı sikerler orospu çocuğu.
Kurdistan.
Kurdish.
Kurdish, yes.
Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Turkey.
Turkey. Nice. Nice to meet you. Where?
Where from?
I'm from Kurdistan.
Kurdistan. I think it's not Kurdistan.
Oh, that's okay. I think it's Kurdistan.
Yeah. Okay. I
No,
respect.
this is good.
I respect.
Yeah, good.
But reality is not Kurdistan.
No. I tell you, reality, it's Kurdistan. Politically, it's not Kurdistan. Politically.
I don't know.
But politics, what is politics? Politics is fake, is bullshit.
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh my god. Hi. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Do you know anything about Kurdistan?
Yes.
What do you know?
I know that it's like land in the Middle East.
Okay. Do you know any Kurdish?
No, قز القرد.
Okay, that's good. It counts. It counts.
That's the only word I know, okay?
Well done. It's a good word.
Where are you from, Dayı?
I'm from Kurdistan.
Orospu çocuğu.
What?
Hiç. Motherf***. Lan Türk amına.
So you
Amına
are
kodumun oğlu.
you are-
Kürdistan diye bir yer yok bak ananı sikerim senin.
are you racist?
Irkçı mısın diyor. I am Müslim.
Okay, I am Kurdish.
No Kürdistan.
Why? Where are you from?
I'm from Afghanistan.
Do you live in Afghanistan?
Yeah, actually, I'm in Kabul right now.
But you have a good English accent.
Actually, yes, because like I've been an international student here, and I mean just an international school in the curriculum, and I was just I love English. I love speaking in English, so I have a different accent from the other people.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, thank you.
And
Where are you from?
I'm from Kurdistan.
You're from Kurdistan. Well, that's nice.
Yeah, thank you. Do you know anything about the Kurds?
Yeah, actually, like it's so near to the Turks and Iran people, right?
Yeah, because the country is in the middle of them.
Yeah. Actually, we have some Kurds in Afghanistan. It's just,
I heard.
Like we have some Kurds here as well. And by the way, don't be offended. The Kurdish girls are so beautiful.
No, of course, I'm not offended. They are very beautiful. We have the best. So, do you know the situation of Kurdistan? How it's not an independent country, and they want a country, and Turkey doesn't let them. Iraq, Iran, Syria doesn't let them. You know?
Yeah. Actually, we have got a bad luck. It's the same with the Kurdish people and Afghanistan people.
Yeah.
They just want to be independent, and then Pakistan came, Iran came, and United States came.
Yeah, it's crazy. But you're hanging in there. I like that. You're a positive guy.
Yeah, actually, I have to be positive. I have no other choice.
Bro. Friday night.
Yes, bro.
Let's
Yes,
dance.
bro.
Let's dance. Let's go. Come. Es Kurdistan'ım cihanım. Ha?
Diyor bak bacının amına koyayım seni. Sizin memleketinizi yakar ananızın amına
Whoa. What happened?
Kürdistan, what is the Kürdistan bro?
Hey. Es Kurdistan'ım boka cihanı. Ha? Hey. Es Kurdistan'ım boka cihanım. Cihemirani. Me and you, we're gonna dance. Es Kurdistan'ım boka cihanım. Ha?
You are mother king.
Why?
Kurdistan?
What? Kurdum. Aji Kurdum.
Herbici
bro.
Kurdistan.
Herbici Kurdistan.
Beji abi.
Benere.
Vaa. Tamamen tıkırdı da.
Lan? Oo, nasılsın lan?
Hello.
Merhaba.
Çavani.
İyi, ben biliyorum I know you.
Where from?
I'm from Turkey. I know you. I love you.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How do you know me?
Yeah, I know from YouTube, man.
You saw the videos?
Yeah.
What do you think?
King. I don't know. It's a little bit disgusting, but I don't know.
So you're not like that?
No, I'm not like that. Will you post this on YouTube?
Do you want me to?
I don't know. Maybe.
It's good. Because they always say to me, there is you never show the good people. But I'm like, I don't see good people. So if you want, I would like to show you.
Yeah.
Oj bre men dalal.
Bashi bra.
Oj aval.
تشاوي
بره باشي تشاوي
از باشم تشيتكي
باش ولا
بس اصلي تخلقي كدري لكردستان
مردين
اوه كخوشة مردين خوشة
والله برخوشة
از
ناس كمان
بس ان شاء الله روجك مردين دبي دولتي كردستان
ان شاء الله
برايمن ان شاء الله برايمن No Türkçe. Kırmancı English.
Kanka neden?
As Kurdum. I'm Kurdish.
Siktir git o zaman kanka.
Hey, no siktir git. I know this. No. No. I know this. I am from Kurdistan.
Senin amına koyarım bak.
Hey. Why? Stop. Not good. Racist, fascist. No.
Not racist, not fascist.
Yes, racist, fascist.
No, bro.
I say hello, I am from Kurdistan. You say amına koyayım. This is racist.
Really? Okay, I'm racist and fascist.
So you are happy to be racist and fascist? You are happy?
No.
So why you do it?
باش الحمد لله.
Ez başım spas bra. Tukuderi.
başım spas bra. Tukuderi.
خدام تركيا شرناخ
Şırnakna Türkiye'ye bra.
Şırnakna Türkiye'ye bra.
بله
Şırnak Kurdistan'a.
Şırnak Kurdistan'a.
اوه حلال حلال
Ne rasta?
Ne rasta?
بله خط چانی باشی شما اوی حلال ده
Ev başı.
Bra.
Beje ez halki Kurdistan'a.
Halki Kurdistan'a.
Biji Kurdistan.
Her biji.
I've seen you in TikTok.
Oh, okay. Are you Kurdish?
Are you Kurdish?
No, I'm a Syrian.
Syrian.
Syrian.
From where?
Assyrian.
From where?
Assyrian.
Assyrian. Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
Yes, yes.
Nice. That's the first Assyrian I've met on here.
I've met on here.
Yeah, man.
What do you think of
What do you
Kurdistan?
think of Kurdistan?
Well, I have many Kurdish friends. I love Kurdistan. Why not?
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
no problem, man.
You're a cool guy.
You're a cool guy.
No, I'm Kurdish.
Kurdish?
Yes.
What is Kurdish?
Kurdistan.
Irak, İran,
Kurdistan.
Tahran, Kürdistan.
Yes.
Kürdistan diye bir memleket mi var amına? Git şunu amına koydum onu apocusu. Bak ne çıkarıyor? Bak gel. Bak. Adını anayın amına sok. Orospunun doğurdu. Anayın amına sok onu. Orospunun çıkarttı. Anladın mı? Diyarbakır, Siirt, Mardin, Şanlıurfa, Hakkari,
How do you know? How do you know the cities? Okay, but
in Turkey.
But how do you know the right cities? How you know the cities?
How you know?
How you know is Mardin all this? Because you know it's Kurdistan. You know.
Yeah, no Kurdistan,
Yes,
Turkey.
Kurdistan.
No Kurdistan.
Hello.
Hi, can you speak Kurdish?
Yes. Techawi. Rostan. Dekatanım.
Ah! How do you know that?
Because I am smart.
Nah, you got Kurdish friends.
Yes.
Why do they always have to teach the bad words? They always have to do it, right?
But Techawi is not a bad word.
Nah, that's good. Tchawi, how are you? Yeah, as Bashim.
Rojbash.
Rojbash is good day.
It's a cool flag. I like the flag.
This one?
Yes. It's very good.
Thank you.
Bak dur. Lan sen YouTuber'sın. Orospu çocuğu. Senin o ananı sikerim bak. Sus. Senin
anama
bak,
küfür
bak,
etme, ananı
YouTube'a
götüne
video
sikerim,
atıyorum.
amcından
YouTube'a
sonra.
video atıyorum amına koyayım. Vallahi
Atsın.
iAmHaks. Bak tişörtünü çıkar bro. Ben biliyorum seni Türkçe konuşuyorsun. Ananı sikerim senin bak. O Kürdistan bayrağını da götüne sokarım, tamam mı? O tişörtü sen teröristsin, tamam mı? Senin kalbin yok.
PKK'lı.
O YouTube'a seni atarsın, at beni YouTube'a. Senin ananı sikerim, tamam mı?
Yalnız
Bu videoları YouTube'a at. Orospu çocuğusun.
Orospu çocuğu.
Herbiji Kurdistan. Herbiji Kurdistan.
Okay,
Herbiji Kurdistan. Herbiji Kurdistan.
Greek. Yeah.
Kurdish.
Kurdish. Yes. Good.
Hey. Erdogan. Hey bro, where are you from?
I am from Turkey.
Ah, do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
I am Italian.
Oh.
You know, in Italy, we were watching a TV show, a television, Italy, and they talk about Turkish people and Kurdish people. They say they talk about there's fight, Turkish-Kurdish fight.
No. Yo.
But they say on the TV show they will make country inside Turkey.
Not Kurdi. Or Suri. Suri fight Turkey.
No, they said, what is the name? Let me check. There's fighting, because it's in Italian. Wait. Bella ciao.
İtalyan haberler kötü abi, sen öyle deme ya.
Kurdistan. Kurdistan?
Not Kurdistan. Turkey.
But, I know, but they say they will make this country Kurdistan.
Not make, man.
You don't like this?
Don't make.
Okay. What is
Turkey is Turkey.
What is Kurdistan?
Ne dedi kanka?
Abi diyor ki what's Kurd, yani benim anladığım kadarıyla hani Kürdistan diyor nerede gibi bir şey, yani anladın mı? Yani Kürdistan yoktu. Ben şimdi bu adama nasıl bir açıklama yapayım?
They have no idea.
Wait.
Okay. Diyar Bekir.
Don't Kurd population maybe Türk population'a kıyasla. Hayır ona gel o alakası yok mu?
Maybe.
No maybe. False.
But
False.
Italian TV.
False, man.
But I am university.
Yeah.
And professor.
Your professor?
Yeah, my professor. He talk about Kurdistan.
Your professor falsehood, man.
Falsehood man.
Don't Kurdistan.
Italy, good?
Italy good, Turkey good. Bro.
Brother.
Oğlum Kürdistan var artık. Senin ben anana halkeysin. Amına kodumun çocuğu.
Uzbekistan. Very
Yeah.
nice. I am from Kurdistan.
You're from Kurdistan.
Yes. Do you know Kurdistan?
Funny.
Basham. How do you know Kurdish?
I have from bro.
Choni, Bashi.
Chani, Bashi, Duramta Chana, Namata Chia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basha.
From Tehran.
Tehran. Oh, nice to meet you. Cool. You love Kurdistan?
Yeah. Of Kurdistan.
You know, there's Kurdistan is also Kermashan, Mahabad, Urmia, Luristan.
Yeah.
Luristan is
Bukan.
Boka. Yeah, you know this is Kurdistan, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Look, Hasan Zirak.
Kankam.
Hey kanka.
Başkaymışım Türkiye'min yoluna. Bir çalsan.
Biji Kurdistan, biji Kurdistan.
Ne Kürdistan lan? Orası bu çocuğu.
What?
Senin ananı sikerim. Kürdistan hayırdır lan?
London.
But originally.
Kuwait.
Kuwait. Have you ever heard of Kurdistan?
Of course.
Yeah.
What do you think of it?
We love Kurdistan.
Yeah?
Yeah. Listen, I have this thing about Kurds, yeah? Listen, they want their own country, right?
Yeah, of course.
But they always say, like, let's say in their bios, they have, like, the Iraqi flag or Turkish
Oh yeah, because basically those countries that have occupied Kurdistan, over the 100 years that we've been occupied, they've managed to actually make some people believe that they are Turkish and make some people believe that they're Iraqi. Because that's how they do it. They either killed people or forced them to think otherwise.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah.
But, like, why
Yeah.
can't you just...
I get pissed off at them. I get pissed off at them. I'm saying you have to write Kurdistan. I'm the one that's trying to drive this change. I'm trying to reverse everything they did to us, you know, slowly.
Can you give me some tips how to grow a beer? You know?
Oil.
Yeah,
Put coconut oil.
coconut oil.
Yes, try it.
Did you do that?
No, I am from the Middle East. We don't need it. Well, I have a beard from when I was 14.
14.
Yeah, man.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you, bro. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you so much. What is your name?
Haks, what's your name?
X?
Yes.
I know you.
From where?
I know you.
From where? We met in real life?
I know you.
Did we meet?
No.
How do you know me?
You have a YouTube channel? No.
I'm from Kurdistan.
Kurdistan is God.
What?
God.
God. That's what you said.
God.
Yep, you're lost, buddy.
Yes.
And why would you say Kurdistan?
Because I don't like Kurdistan. Kurdish people are very stupid.
Kurdish people are very stupid.
Yes, Because Turkish people give job, money, life, but Kurdish. No, I want my nation. What the fuck is that? Kurdish and Turkish brother, friend.
Okay, Turkish people have country, they have Turkey, they have everything. Why they are going to Europe? Why they are leaving to go to Europe?
Because Turkish economy very bad.
Okay, and
This
Kurdish
time.
people don't want to live with this bad economy, with your crazy president.
Wait,
Before
Where
the
are you from?
Tell me. Before the Turks went to Anatolia, where were they? You don't know your history, yeah?
Are you kidding me?
You don't know your history?
You look Turkish history?
Okay, tell me. Before Anatolia, where is Turks? Where in the world? Where?
Asya.
Okay. Where is Kurds?
Yes.
Where is Kurds in this time?
Kurdish not. Kurdish is Arabic.
Oh my god. How do you debate with someone so stupid? I don't even understand. Do you know Ottoman Empire?
No, I know.
Do you know Ottoman?
I know.
Okay, there was a
Yes,
there was a Kurdistan in Ottoman Empire. Do you know this?
Of bitch.
Erbiji Kurdistan, Kurdistan. Dilimani Kurdistan, Kurdistan.
Hello, bro. How are you doing?
I'm good, bro. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, bro.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kurdistan, of course.
Oh, you're Kurdish. Nice.
Yeah, I'm Kurdish.
Where
How
do
are you?
I'm good, thank you. Where in Kurdistan do you live?
By the way, I know you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. You see my videos?
I have you followed on Instagram, I think.
Oh, thank you so much,
Yes.
bro. Dun
That's the
dun
easiest one.
dun dun dun dun dun dun. That's it.
Which one is that? This is a
Oy
new one?
naze naze naze. Galax pass bra men.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
To dilemeni başı bra. Batmani Kurdaya. Çavay.
Başı.
Ez başım bra. Te kuderi.
Elazığ, dik kadar.
Alazık Bakuri Kurdistan ya.
Her babemin.
Her biji ev boteya.
Her bir şey. Oo, sen kralsın. Sen nesin böyle?
Te dilemeni.
Valla sen bir tanesin.
Allah ez ne zanam Türkçe beji. Kırmancı ne zani?
Ne zanım?
Piçek zani.
Biji Kurdistan. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Her biji Kurdistan.
You TikTok Kurdistan. Biji.
Yes.
Oo abi bir şey Kürdistan.
Her biji bra çavay.
Fotoğrafa gibi kişinin
Hey
abi.
de.
Galaxy bastım abi bayrak açtı kare binmiş ya.
Bayrak benim. Hem benim de yenin.
Galaxy bastım abi. Serçavemin.
Te dilemeni bra. To dilemeni gelek kef hoş bum. Where are you from?
London.
Originally though.
Yemen.
Yemen.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kurdistan.
I've experimented this in the past. So I saw a guy in here from Turkey, and I said, I'm saying I'm from Kurdistan. He goes, Kurdistan. Where's Kurdistan? There's no Kurdistan. There's no Kurdistan.
Yeah.
I was like, what the hell? Yes, there is. They got a flag and everything.
Yeah.
That's why I don't like Turkey personally. I just don't like Turkey.
Do you know what I do? I have a YouTube channel doing just that.
Do you?
I go to Turkey and I expose them to the world.
Yo, please, can I have a YouTube channel?
Yeah. That's crazy that you've done that as well. Bro, I'm like sitting here like, look, I've got everything, like the map. I've got the flag ready. It's all here, bro. Like,
sick, bro. I respect to you, bro. I'm gonna watch your YouTube channel after this.
yeah. If you watch it, I've got like 8 parts. I'm actually recording the 9th part right now. So.
What? Wait, I think I've seen you on TikTok somewhere. I think.
Yeah. A lot of my videos get shared on there.
Yes, you. I knew it. Yo, that's what I got it from you. That's where I got it from.
Oh, so you that is mad.
I know I've seen you from somewhere. Yo, bro, I love all your videos. I swear, man.
Thank you,
like
bro.
them all.
Thank you so
I'm a
much,
subscriber.
man.
I didn't know you had a YouTube channel.
Yeah, the ones you see on TikTok are like clips taken from my YouTube channel.
I've seen this guy somewhere. Bro,
So that's crazy. From my videos, you were inspired to do the same thing.
Yes.
That is
But
sick.
I love Kurds, man. I love Kurdistan.
Bro, I love Yemenis as well, man. You guys are sick.
Man. Bro, I love all your videos. I'm gonna watch your YouTube channel after this, man.
Yeah, bro, check it out, man. I'm shocked right now. That's so cool.
I'm a big fan of you, man.
I love, bro. I appreciate it, man.
Take care, yeah.
Harbici Kurdistan. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and also follow me on my social media channels so that you will be up to date with the latest content.